Let's solve this question on indices. Solve the equation 8 to the power x plus 1 subtract 2 to the power 3x minus 1 is equals to 120. Solution. The first thing you do is to check whether all these values to the right hand side of the equation, the left hand side of the equation, whether they can be expressed to the same base. The bases are 8, 2 and 120. Is it possible to express all those bases uniformly? No. You can express 8 to the base of 2. You can express 2 to the base of 2. Of course, it is to the base of 2. But you cannot express 120 to the base of 2. So let us deal with the left-hand side of the equation. We write 8 to the power x plus 1 using base of 2. How do you do that? 8 is equivalent to, written to the base of 2, 2 cubed. So let us substitute that. So 8, therefore, will be written as 2 cubed. And then you have x plus 1. Subtract 2, 3x minus 1 is equals to 120. Let's open this bracket. So we have 2, 3 times x, 3x, plus 3, subtract 2, 3x minus 1 is equals to 120. The other thing you're going to do is to split these values. You split these, and when you split 2 power 3x plus 3, you will get 2 power 3x multiply by 2 raised to power 3. Then when you split 2 to power 3x minus 1, you get 2 to power 3x, then multiply by 2 to power negative 1 is equals to 120. Look at these two, and you notice there will be something that is common. The left-hand side of the equation, 2 to power 3x is common, so you can factor it out. So let me factor out 2 to power 3x. When I factor that, here I will remain with 2 cubed. Subtract, here I will remain with 2 raised to power negative 1 is equals to 120. So therefore, we have 2 raised to power 3x, and then multiply by, this will be 8. 2 cubed is 8. You can still retain the bracket. So this is 8, subtract 2 raised to power negative 1 is the same as 1 over 2, or a half, is equals to 120. 2, we continue, 2 raised to power 3x. Now you can solve whatever is in the bracket here. You get 8 subtract a half, you get 7 and a half. And 7 and a half written as improper fraction, you get 15 over 2. So you have 2 raised to power 3x multiplied by 15 over 2 is equals to 120. Since you're solving for x, you eliminate everything from the left hand side, remain with x. So let me get rid of 15 over 2 by multiplying both sides of the equation by the reciprocal of 15 over 2, which is 2 over 15. So when I multiply the left hand side by 2 over 15, I'll remain with 2 raised to power 3x. Then the right hand side, I multiply by 2 over 15. I'll get 2 raised to power 3x is equals to 120 times 2 divided by 15. You'll get 16. Then from there, you can express 16 to the base of 2, and this will be 2 raised to power 4. So 2 raised to power 3x is equals to 16, which is 2 raised to power 4. Now we are almost getting the answer. Now you can check both sides of the equation. The bases are the same. We have base 2. So when you find the bases are the same, you ignore the base and pick the powers. And therefore, you pick the powers 3x is equals to 4, and therefore x would be 4 divided by 3, or 1 1/3. And that is how you're supposed to solve that question.